Okay, kids, let's revise very quickly what we learned yesterday. ¿Se acuerdan de esto que aprendimos ayer? Vamos a repasarlo rapidito, a ver si queda alguna duda o si tenemos que trabajar algo más. ¿Se acuerdan que trabajamos con esta pregunta? What is your toy? And the answer were two. It is blue. It isn't a train. Remember that it is a happy answer. Okay, we say, yes, it is blue. You see, it is blue. But, it isn't a train. It isn't a train. Okay, so no train. ¿Se acuerdan que dijimos cuando tenemos esto al final? Eso es no train. It isn't a train. It isn't a train. It is a kite. You see? Okay. Bien. Si hay alguna pregunta, me escriben en los comentarios. Seguimos. Remember this boy? He said, it is red. Okay, red. Good, fantastic. But it isn't a car. No car. It isn't a car. It is a boat. It is green. Good. They are green. It is green. It isn't a kite. It isn't a kite. No kite. It isn't a kite. It is a ball. It is a dinosaur. Okay, it is a dinosaur. But it isn't green. It isn't green. It is a spaceman. You see, spaceman? Spaceman. It is a spaceman. But it isn't blue. It isn't blue. So, not this one. Not the blue one. Good. Alright, kids. That was all. If you have any questions, please write to me. And now let's practice with our books. Bye-bye.